Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will discuss creating a solution, which is the first step in producing documentation within xPress. From within the pragmatic workbench, we will want to launch xPress by clicking on the tile as shown here. Once xPress opens, you will see the Solutions page. Here you can open up solutions that were previously created, add a new solution, edit an existing solution, delete a solution, refresh the list of solutions, or open up object lineage for the solution. Object lineage will be discussed in a different video. For now, I will recommend keeping your solution to a narrow scope. This will prevent the documentation from becoming too cumbersome to understand quickly. This especially applies to object lineage. For purposes of this demo, I will click on the Add button to add a new solution. This will launch the solution wizard. On the first screen, you will enter a name for your solution and click the OK button to proceed. On this screen, you will provide a solution item name and select its source and its options. The sources that populate this list are based on the software installed on the server where the Workbench software is installed also. You can then choose if you would like to update the item only if it is part of a manual snapshot. Snapshots will be discussed in a different video. And finally, configure your option for that item. In this case, I will use my local machine, which I can select using the drop-down menu or typing a / like this. You can also select the Find Local SQL Server Instances button and select an option from the list. Finally, you will choose your security mode. Here I will select Integrated Security and then click the OK button. Please note, you can also import custom metadata into your xPress solution. This can be done by selecting the Custom Metadata Import option from the Source Type drop-down menu when adding solution items. You will now be presented with a screen listing the items for your solution. Here again, you are given options to add, edit, or delete these items. You can also click Cancel to close this screen, or click OK to continue. You will then be prompted to take a snapshot. Because we will be discussing snapshots in a different video, I will click the No button. You will now be brought to a screen listing your solution and several additional options. Since we will be discussing these options in a different video, I will not discuss them further here. Congratulations, you have created your first solution. If you have any questions about this information or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryon.com. Thanks for watching.